G'day folks, welcome back. Another redo painting. So, quick backstory. When I did this painting originally, I used the 4-pot chamber, but only half of the tape ripped off, and I didn't realise it at the time, so it only dropped out of 2 holes. And while it looks cool, it wasn't the intended finish, so we're gonna redo it. And we're ready to go, so I'm just going to go rip the tape off and make sure I rip it all off this time, and then we'll let it go a little bit crazy. I've put a fair bit of tension on the cord, so we'll see how we go. And removing the high-tech seal now. Good, and swing. Awesome. There we go. We're done. Oh, that's a nice silly one. I like it. Drip tray. Boot. Let's get you folks down and have a quick look. Yeah, so this was definitely the look I was going for, just crazy, chaotic. Lots of red. It's actually a pearlescent red, so it'll drive this sort of metallic look. So yeah, I like how the thicker lines are nice and bold, and then the thinner stuff kind of gives it this weird sort of 3D effect. Don't know if it translates through on the camera too well, but standing right over the top of these things, looking directly down on them, you get this really weird effect on some of them. I love it. It's like you're looking through into space, and it's just this weird 3D stuff. Yeah, I really like this one. Well, this was just a quick one, folks. So yeah, a redo. Just want to say thanks for stopping by, and see you next time.